Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change language in Google NotebookLM. So as you guys see, I'm currently on the iOS device with Google NotebookLM installed, and I will show you a quick way how to change the language. So first thing that you need to do, just go into your settings and go and look for the language and region. Then as you see, you need to add language that you want to change it to, so I will click Espanol and slide it to the main language. As you see, click continue, it will quickly restart the settings, and as you will see right now, your notebook LM should be changed to Spanish. And I will just prove it to you by clicking notebook LM, and as you see, it's Spanish. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.